Embarking on the journey to become an influencer starts with defining your niche. Whether it's fashion, tech, travel, or fitness, choosing a focus will help you attract a dedicated audience. Research your chosen niche thoroughly and identify the key trends and influencers who dominate this space. This foundational step will set the stage for your unique voice and content. Once your niche is clear, create a content strategy that aligns with your brand. Consistency is key, so establish a posting schedule and stick to it. High quality content that adds value to your audience's lives will keep them engaged and coming back for more. Utilize various content formats like blogs, videos, and social media posts to reach a broader audience. Building your brand is not just about content, it's also about interaction. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, asking for their opinions, and holding QA sessions. Authentic engagement fosters a community atmosphere and builds trust. Collaborating with other influencers and brands in your niche can also expand your reach and credibility. Growing an influential presence takes more than just good content and engagement. It also requires leveraging the power of analytics. Monitor your performance metrics to understand what works and what doesn't. Tools like Google Analytics and social media insights can provide valuable data on your audience's behavior and preferences, allowing you to tweak your strategy accordingly. Finally, authenticity is the cornerstone of influence. Stay true to your values and beliefs, as your audience will discern the sincerity behind your content. Remember, building a lasting influence is a marathon, not a sprint. With dedication, constant learning, and authentic engagement, you can cultivate a thriving community and become a respected influencer in your chosen niche.